Hi friends, welcome to our channel Learn English with Sohini. Today we will further move to our next concept in grammar series, day 3, which is phrases and clauses. So let's start. First, for example, first one, the sun rises in the east. The first month of the year is January. The boys went home after school. If you follow these three examples, the expression in the east, of the year, after school, these are called phrases. Every phrase in every sentence is introduced by a preposition. That is, here it is introducing a preposition, whereas further it has no subject and predicate. A phrase may thus be defined as a group of words introduced by a preposition and containing no subject and predicate. A phrase may correspond to a single part of speech. So let's see, for example, first one, I told him to see me in the morning. Here it is a noun phrase. And second one, the man in that room is idle. It is adjective phrase. I work in that room. It is adverb phrase. He as well as I is at fault, which is conjunctive phrase. You must stand in front of the class. It is prepositional phrase. The meeting being over, we all went home, which is absolute phrase. The phrase in sentence 6 stands alone, unrelated to any other part of the sentence. So it is called an absolute phrase. Here we have considered noun, adjective, adverb, conjunctive, preposition. So these are called the parts of speech. We will learn these parts of speech in our next class. Okay. So let's examine the following sentences. If you work hard, you are sure to pass. And second one, I shall not go unless I am invited. Word groups such as if you work hard and unless I am invited contain a subject and a predicate, but they do not convey complete sense. They are called clauses. That is, a clause is a part of a sentence containing a subject and a predicate of its own. Through a clause is grammatically complete by itself, it does not make complete sense except in the case of some main clauses. Okay friends, this is about phrases and clauses. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.